Hey y'all, today we're fixing mufflers. He blew his top.
Out with the old and in with the new. Our Freightliner's going to get a new muffler put on today. She's doing a little rattling.
Is that what it was doing?
In today's video, Travis is going to be changing out his exhaust on his semi-truck. He's already took it off of the side and got all the old parts off. He's still got to get that clamp off right there. And there's the old one right there. It looks pretty bad, so it is time to replace it. This is the other side. It don't look bad yet, and it's still in good running shape. So he's not changing this one today. But look at this one. This is old and wore out. It's been making a little rattling sound when he's coming down the road. So he decided this morning was the day he was going to do it. If you own your own truck and you're an owner-operator driving your own truck, the work is never done. So right now he's comparing the new one to the old one to make sure they're about the same size. And seeing where his clamps are so he'll know where he's got to line them back up at.
And I thought I'd share this in case any of y'all wanted to see how to do it. If y'all drive a big truck or even have to just change a muffler.
Turning old and the new.
He's been replacing different things on this Freightliner for a while now. He's done a couple jobs and we have some of them on video. So if y'all want to look back, you might see something else for Freightliners or big trucks you might be interested in. But in today's video, he's working on the mufflers. We're changing the exhaust. He's working on this right here to get it straightened back up and cleaned up. He's going to reuse this to mount his exhaust on back to the side of his truck with.
How many you gotta have? 2? How many of them brackets does it have to have? 2? That thing you just put on it, is that a bracket that holds it on?
It's a guillotine clamp. Gotta have 4 of them.
At least this side's got a shade. I went to get your tea and I missed the top one. Do you think that other muffler's the muffler that came on the truck? That other muffler, the old one, do you think that's the one that came off the truck? I mean, came on the...
I'm not sure. Probably.
So every once in a while, a Freightliner has to have a new muffler when they blow their top. So any of y'all out there, if you drive a truck and it's an older truck.
So if you drive an older semi-truck, one day you might have to replace the mufflers after they get wore out. Turn old back into new. Some of the older trucks, I think, are even a lot prettier than these new trucks they sell nowadays.
They both, that one is a little bit closer. It needs to go to the right. They look straight and even to me.
Does it look good from your house?
Yeah. gonna be like Smokey and the Bandit. You're gonna be smoking out of both pipes. So this old Freightliner just got a new muffler.
Covered up and tightened up. Cover back on. And that'll be about it, won't it?
Yep. You're almost done. We're starting to lose our shade. You gotta put the claws on it to hold it in place.
Is that the way that goes?
Yeah, that's what it goes, just like that.
You remember?
I don't know. You better not ask me. You gotta have that on it. That's what makes it pretty. We're losing our shade. The sun is almost all the way on our side of the truck now. It's so hot, I think I'm gonna sit up under the truck if it keeps moving. brand new muffler.
Brand hammer new.
It looks good.
Adjust that a little bit and I'm done with that. You let me put it on there crooked.
I did not. It's straight.
Anything.
Are they straight or are they crooked? I think they're straight. It's straight. Get down. Like Riley says, down, Papa.
Y'all, listen to her go. She is a happy Freightliner. She got her a new muffler today. No more rattling going down the road for this old girl. She is ready to go. So if y'all like our video on showing you how to put a muffler on a Freightliner, a semi-truck, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe if you hadn't already. And like always, thanks for watching. This is just one more thing that Travis wanted to do to this old Freightliner he's working on. He is rebuilding her, and she needed a new muffler, so today she got one. Even though it was one of the hottest days down here, life in the South, we got it done.